Today's I am is I rise above all limitations. I rise above all limitations. I'm going to create a fall look. And the palette I'm using is Ace Beauty. I'm creating a fall look today. I am using Ace Beauty Flare palette. It is a very, very old palette. It has the perfect colors for fall. I rise above all limitations. They're not easy ones, but you do your best to rise above it. Nothing is easy. When outsiders see things, we tend to make it sound and look easy. But the person who's going through it, it's hard. And sometimes we can give advice, or we can just listen to the person. I'm using a darker orange and I'm putting it on the lids. I put glitter glue on and I'm going to take some shimmer and I'm going to put it right here. It's also an orange shimmer. I'm just tapping it on the glitter glue. I'm using NYX glitter glue. My base so far that I have on is a powder foundation by Juvia's Place. Now I take the brush and went into a brown that's there and I'm going to just put it in the outer corner. If you have your Flare palette by Ace Beauty, please pull it out. It is the perfect fall palette. Take a look at this. Today's look. Fall is here. Let's pull our palettes out. Let's have some fun. And remember, today's encouraging motivational word is I rise above all limitations. I rise above all limitations. You rise above all limitations. It might take a while. It is hard work, but you will rise above all limitations. I love you very much. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for hyping my videos. And I appreciate you sharing my videos. Please remember to watch a playlist. And as always, until I see you and you see me. Rise above your limitations one step at a time. That's all we can do. One step at a time. Don't try to do everything together because everything together is mass confusion. Do one thing at a time. Tackle one project, one issue, one problem at a time, and you will rise above all your limitations if you do it one step at a time. My lip combo is this wine lip pencil and Gwen Stefani's red liquid lipstick, which has an orange base. Today's look again. It is fall.